At some point during the bead weaving process, you're probably going to need to think about adding in a new piece of thread, because this is going to become too short for you to work with. So what we're going to do is we're going to pass back a row. Don't do the top row, go back a row. We're going to pass through the edge beads, about 4 or 5, and we're going to pop the needle up through the top of the beadwork. So pull this through. Okay, and we've got the thread coming out of the top. Now for the next piece, I'm going to turn the loom sideways, because what we're going to do is we're going to go down through the beads as we did with the reweaving process. So we're going to pick up these little warp threads in between. I go down about 4 or 5. Okay, so we've passed down through. Pull this needle out. Again, quite a gentle process. You take the needle off, pull that thread down through, and then snip it off, and we're ready to add in a new piece of thread.